I've never felt so alive. This is gonna be a great vacation. Yes, sir. You can't beat the thrill of fighting a bunch of defenseless androids. Aw, is someone still pouty with me 'cause he won't get to sun his buns at Miami Beach? Oh, come on. It's time to live the adventure.
Well, you go right ahead, Captain, and I'll see you next week.
Oh, no, you don't. You're gonna have a real artificial adventure, even if I have to drag you. What's the matter, Cadet? You seem uneasy.
Robots give me the creeps.
There's nothing to be creeped out about underneath their latex skin. They're just beautiful machinery.
Rest my case.
You look hungry, my robotic stallion. How about a shiny artificial apple? Ain't nature grand? All right, mi muchachos amigos con carne. It's a high time we commence to funnin'.
Complete with corny cowboy dialogue.
Take a gander over there. A completely harmless robotic simulation of a lawless western town that needs to be tamed. It's all fake. The bullets are just gentle bursts of laser light that deactivate the robots temporarily.
Well, it looks awfully dangerous to me.
Ha! Danger is my middle name.
I thought your middle name was Edgar.
I was speaking metaphorically.
Oh, yeah, metaphorically.
Come and get it, you delinquent desperados! Sorry, I thought that baguette was loaded. Alrighty, you lawless humbers! Are you ready to give yourselves up and come along peaceable-like?
We'll never give up! You'll have to deactivate us one by one! Oh, man!
That's what I was hooping you was gonna say. Who's next?
You're next, Dodgers.
There. That'll learn 'em.
Wow, Captain. Sheriff, you really know how to handle a gun.
Just like shooting lobsters in a trap.
Duck,